Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Alison and this vlog is all about this week's makes, what I've been busy with and making this week. So there are three things to share with you again, and one is another alteration and two new makes, one of which I'm wearing. Should we just cut straight to this one and yeah, have a chat about it? So if you've seen my February sewing plans, you would have seen me cut out this fabric. It's a French terry from Pound Fabrics, and the rib is also from Pound Fabrics, and it's such a great colour match. Let me just lie that down properly. There we go. So this was quite straightforward. It's really one of my colours. I'm so pleased with how the colour looks on me, and I'm so pleased about the fit. So I did share that I was making the Atelier Brunette Le Hoodie, and on the sizes, I've gone into detail about it before. I'm a 44D bust and it looked like it maybe wasn't going to fit, so I'll show you some pictures of how it does fit. I'll drop those in a second, but it does fit. I'm really happy with it. So I'll talk more about the skirt that I've got on in a second, but hopefully you can see it's a really nice fit on me. I did shorten the sleeves by an inch, and that made them just sort of sit right for me. And I took 2 inches off the bottom of it because I like to have the band here, so it's still a nice length if I wanted to wear it like that, but I tend to just tuck it up and over. But the bit that I was worried about was the chest, and yeah, I'm really pleased with how that fits. So my shape is changing at the moment, but I'm really happy that if I needed to, I could just run in these seams. So it went together absolutely no problem whatsoever. It's a very straightforward hoodie, but everything just fit and went together lovely. It's my first Atelier Brunette pattern that I've made, and I'm very pleased with it. So happy days for that. What was lovely at Sew Tune, today I'm recording this on Sunday, 3 of the girls had also made that, and all different sizes and shapes, and they all looked absolutely gorgeous in this, and my friend Vicky has made it before as well. So if you're looking for a new hoodie or sweatshirt, I can recommend this one by Atelier Brunette. And yeah, I think I'll definitely be making more. I've got some Nerida Hansen fabric over there that I was wanting to make it in, but I wanted to test it out in this first. But from a quality point of view, I think I'll definitely switch from getting the sweatshirt and fabric from Pound Fabrics to this French terry, because I'm really happy with it. It's absolutely gorgeous to work with, and I've just top stitched around the neck, popped a little label in the back. Bish bosh done. So my second sort of make of the week is this fabric here. I mentioned last week that I wasn't happy with the sleeves, and I'd used the flare sleeves on a different indigo dress and sort of refit the sleeves there. So I'll share some pictures with you. I'll drop those in now of me wearing this, and I'm really happy with this. I did pop a little handmade label on the outside of the back, which I'm really pleased with. That's from Little Rosy Cheeks. I'm really liking these sort of on the outside. I glued it on first with a glue pen and then stitched it in place. I did put the nice Judy dress cuff on there, which gives me lots of sort of movement and things in my sleeve, and I've already had this on, and I feel like I'll be reaching for it an awful lot more now that I've made those changes. So I would really encourage any of you that have got things in your wardrobe or nestled somewhere in a basket, makes that you've made or not really worn as you would wish for, get them out and just see if you can refashion them into something else. It could be a dress that you could change into a skirt, or put different sleeves in if you've got leftover bits of fabric, and see if there are any changes that you can make. You know, drawstring in the waist elastic. There are always things that you can do to create things that you might want to wear more, and I would definitely encourage you to do just that. So my third make, well, that wasn't really a make, it was an adjustment. My third item is the Tobias Maeve skirt, which you might remember I made recently. So I've made this version here, and you might have got a peep at it because I basically wanted a skirt that was a neutral skirt, so I could put on any sweatshirt and it would look absolutely fine. So this is also from Pound Fabrics. I'll drop the links in the description box, and it's the medium colour. So I've got the dark colour to make my Aspen dress, and this is the medium, and then they do a light. I've not seen the colour of the light, but I feel like this is perfect to be like that neutral colour denim, and I feel like I could put any sweatshirt on and it would go with this. So I've just tried it. I think I can probably take the elastic in at the waist a little bit more, so I've not done the top stitching around the waistband, but I'm going to take it with me, so by the time you see this I'll have been away for the week, and just try it and see if I want to just bring the elastic in a little bit more before I top stitch that waistband. I did a rolled hem on the hem, so that just looks like this here, and I just did that in a grey colour, so it kind of fits in really well. I wanted it to be super maxi, and that's what it is, because in the summer I want to be swishing around in just like a little top with it, but now it's still winter and it's perfect for my sweatshirt. So I'll drop a picture in now, or a couple of pictures that are both of these garments together, so you can see how I've enjoyed wearing them together this week. And I can just take this skirt away with me and a couple of different tops, and I can swap and change them. In fact, I might travel in this and then travel back in this and just put some different tops on with it. And yeah, super cozy and comfy for traveling in. If it's cold, I can just put some leggings underneath it and it's ideal. So this is quite a lightweight chambray. I've made the other one that I made in this fabric here, which is also quite lightweight. I feel like it needs to be quite lightweight to get the drape. I wouldn't want it to be any heavier or fuller than this is just here. But I've got a friend who was saying today, I've sort of sat on that pattern for a while, but yeah, now I've seen it, I think I might make it, and I really like it, but it is super long. So I've only used 2 of the tiers and it's maxi on me, and that's fine. I also think for me, if I made it 3 layers, 3 tiers, it might be too much fabric, and I want to be careful that I'm not making myself look heavier in the hips. So it's quite personal choice, but obviously with the pattern, you could just actually make it one long skirt from there, which is perfect for a beach pull on or something like that. So they're the 3 things that I've been making this week. I've not ordered any new patterns, I've not ordered any more fabric. I don't think there's anything sort of new sewing related wise that I've done or I've got since I last caught up with you, which is unusual for me. But yeah, I'm really happy that I got all my makes cut out and I'm ready to go for February. Just one left to cut out, but yeah, happy days. So I will catch up with you next week, and I'm hoping to sew a dress next week, so I'll have that to share with you, but I'm not sure which one I'm going to choose yet. And I'll catch up with you then. So happy sewing, guys. I hope you're having a fabulous time at your machines and in your sewing studios and things. There wasn't a sew virtual session this week with me being away, but if you're interested in jumping on that, check that out in the description box. And I do just want to say a huge thank you for a couple of people who've bought me coffees recently, because I always message you, so you've had a private message, but it is super appreciated. So thanks, and catch up with you soon.